Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I have created this video on a very light makeup look without any foundation. So let's jump in and start the tutorial. Firstly, I have cleaned my face with cleanser. Then I am applying good quantity of moisturizer since I have dry skin. After giving rest for 10 seconds, I have applied liquid highlighter to give a glow. Now here I am hiding my dark areas and pigmentation with a dark shade concealer. This concealer is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. I have taken Damn Beauty blender to blend this concealer. Always blend in a dabbing motion. Do not drag the product or your blender. After that, I am taking concealer matching exactly to my skin tone so that it can neutralize the darker concealer which we have used earlier. You can see I have applied this concealer all over the face so that it can give me an even skin. Again, here I am blending this concealer with the same beauty blender. The blender which I am using is from MAC and this is a mini size blender. Your blender should be damp. I have mentioned all the product details in the description, so please check there. Now you can see that my face is looking even, so the next step is to highlight the face by using a light shade concealer. All these concealer which I have used are very good for dry skin as all of them are hydrating concealer. As I mentioned, this is a light makeup tutorial, that is why I am using very little amount of concealer to highlight the face. I am applying the same concealer as my eye base. I am blending this very properly because blending is a key for a flawless base. So once we are done with blending, I am setting up the base with the translucent powder and I have applied it evenly, for which I have used a powder puff to set my base. Powder setting is a must whether you are doing a light makeup or a glam heavy makeup. I have pushed the powder into my skin so that my makeup base becomes transfer proof. After that, I will use a big fluffy brush to dust off all the excess powder from my face. Once the powder setting is done, let's check if my makeup base has become transfer proof or not. So with the help of tissue paper, I am doing a little blotting and you can see the results here. It is transfer proof. Here we can see that powder setting is a very important step to lock the makeup base, and once this is done, make sure that you are not using any cream based product. Now I am applying powder blush. I have used angular brush for this and I am also taking same brush to contour my jawline, and for contouring my nose I am using a small fluffy brush to contour. For eye makeup, I have taken light pink shade and placing it all over the lid with a flat brush and blend this with a small fluffy brush. Blending is a key, so take a time in blending so that there should be no harsh line. Use the same shade on my lower lash line. Then I have used a pink purple kind of shimmer on my inner corner of the eyes with the help of small flat brush. It enhanced my entire eye look. Now I have done my eyebrows with dark brown shade which I have taken from the same eyeshadow palette. Then making my eye look more dramatic, I have taken black shade on my outer corners and blending it with a small fluffy brush. I have also intensified my shimmer with the help of a finger. Now I have highlighted my brow bone, inner corners, nose and cheeks with highlighter. It will give me a subtle glow. After that, I have used a sketch eyeliner from Swiss Beauty for creating a thick wing eyeliner. The tip of this sketch eyeliner is so precise for creating wing eyeliner. If you are not in a practice of making a good wing eyeliner, then take your time in creating this eyeliner. Then I have applied Maybelline waterproof mascara on my upper and lower lashes. This mascara is very nice. You should have this mascara in your vanity. This is waterproof and long lasting mascara. Now for the lips. Firstly, I have lip lined them using a dark shade of lip liner. Then I have applied Toofaced lipstick. These are sample size lipsticks. You can get them in full size. I got them as a complimentary gift when I bought from Toofaced. Shade of the lipstick is mentioned in the description. I have applied this lipstick with a lipstick brush. This lipstick was very comfortable and long lasting. And finally, I have applied purple kohl in my inner corners of the eyes. Now that's my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and learned something from it. Please show some love and appreciate my efforts, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know your thoughts or suggestions in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.